guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Kawaii Slime Company. I have purchased a few slimes from their shop before at the Kawaii Slime Show back in 2019, and I just thought it'd be super fun to try out their slimes again, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and follow me on Instagram for a bunch of exclusive slime content and also some YouTube sneak peeks. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. And without further ado, let's get started. So here's the slime package that I received from Kawaii Slime Company. In total, it cost $63.30, including shipping, and it took 12 days to arrive. Now, Kawaii Slime Company does hand make all of their slimes, so that's why it took so long to get here, but it was definitely well worth the wait. The slimes also came in the cutest little box. I just love how everything was packaged. It definitely felt like I was opening up a gift. It was very special. So I purchased 4 slimes, and the package also came with some extras, which were a slime guide, some slime activator and softener, and a packing slip. So the first slime that I'm opening is called Rainbow Chip Bingsu Phloem, and this one costs $16.49. So this is a hybrid slime that has all sorts of crunchy add-ins like Bingsu beads and micro beads, and it also comes with the cutest little bag of rainbow add-ins. This crunchy slime has such a nice texture. I just love the variety of different add-ins. It has some of the best bubble crunches, and it's just so satisfying to squeeze. I just think it's so amazing how they were able to make this slime hold in all of the add-ins with little to no fallout. It's just so nice getting to play with the slime without any mess to clean up. The slime also has a very nice scent. It smells just like fruit punch. It's so nice and refreshing. I also love all the little rainbow sprinkles. They just look so cute in the slime, and the little rainbow charm just goes so perfect with it. So the second slime I'm opening is from their Ice Cream Pints collection, and this is the Mint Chip Ice Cream Slime, and this one costs $16. This ice cream slime is just so cute. I absolutely love the ice cream jar that it comes in, and the little labels are so nice and realistic. The texture of this slime is so incredibly soft, it's so smooth and creamy, there's hardly any fallout on my hands, and it's very relaxing to play with. I also really like how realistic the slime looks. I just love the color, and the little chocolate chip pieces are just so cute. The slime also has the most amazing scent. It smells just like mint and chip ice cream, and it just smells so delicious. This is definitely one of my new favorite slimes, and I highly recommend this one. Comment down below if you like mint and chip ice cream. So the next slime that I'm opening is the Strawberry Milk Slime, and this one costs $12. So this is a pink, thick and glossy slime that also comes with some super cute little strawberry pieces. This slime has a very nice thick and glossy texture. It did come a little bit melted, so I went ahead and mixed in some activator, and I absolutely love this little activator spray bottle. I just think it's so cute. This slime is so nice and stretchy, and it has great clicking noises and bubble pops. I also think it's so amazing how realistic this slime looks. It comes in the cutest little milk container, and the color of the slime is just so perfect. It also smells so nice. It has a scent blend of sugar-coated strawberries and creamy vanilla milk. It smells so good. So the last slime that I'm opening is called Watermelon Sugar Fishbowl Bingsu, and this one cost $11. So this is a teal clear slime that has a watermelon scent, and it also comes with the cutest little bag of glitter and sprinkles and some watermelon female slices. This clear slime has a very nice thick texture. All of the add-ins just go so perfect with the slime. They make it so nice and crunchy, and it's just so satisfying squeezing all the bubbles. This is just such a pretty slime. I absolutely love this teal color with all the glitter, and the little watermelon pieces are just so cute. The slime also smells so sugary and delicious. It smells just like those Sour Patch watermelon candies. I just think it's so amazing how they were able to scent this slime, but it was still so crystal clear. This is just such an amazing slime, and I highly recommend this one. I really enjoyed this Kawaii Slime Company package. I really appreciated all of the thought and effort that went into all the packaging, and the slimes are just so amazing and high quality. I highly recommend checking out their shop. I'll be sure to have a link in the description box down below. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram for a bunch of exclusive slime content and also some YouTube sneak peeks. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye!